Now let's find the condition of tangency for the hyperbola when equation of a line is given to us. Now given equation of line y is equal to mx plus c, equation 1, and given equation of hyperbola, that is x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1, equation 2. Now solving 1 and 2, we are having x square upon a square negative of mx plus c whole square upon b square is equal to 1. Now let us solve this part. We are having x square b square minus a square mx plus c whole square is equal to a square b square. Now this becomes x square b square minus a square with m square x square 2mcx plus c square minus a square b square is equal to 0. Now further this becomes, taking this as a first part now, a square m square minus b square with x square plus 2mc a square x, this comes this side, plus a square with c square plus b square is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Now this is quadratic in x, therefore it has exactly 2 roots. Now again we are having 2 roots with 3 conditions. Number 1, having real and unequal roots when b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. 2 equal roots when b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, and imaginary roots when it is less than 0. Discriminant is less than 0. So we are going to follow with b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 because we are required by the tangents. Okay. Now the line 1, equation 1, okay, the line 1 will become tangent to the hyperbola, that is equation 2. The line will become tangent to the hyperbola if it meets the hyperbola at one point. Say if the quadratic equation third equation, this one, okay, if the quadratic equation 3 has equal roots, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Is it clear? So now b square minus 4ac, so what is b? It is twice of mc a square whole square minus 4 with a square m square minus b square with a square c square plus b square is equal to 0. Okay. So, now this becomes 4 m square c square a4 minus 4a square m square negative of b square with c square plus b square is equal to 0. Further, now this becomes m square c square m square c square a square. 4a square from both the terms, from here and here we are taking common and eliminating with 0. Okay. So, we are left with m square c square a square with negative of a square m square minus b square with c square plus b square is equal to 0. Okay. So, on solving we get negative of a square m square b square, okay, a square m square b square plus b square c square plus b raised to power 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Taking b square common, we are having now b square common, negative of a square m square plus c square plus b square is equal to 0. C square is equal to a square m square minus b square and c is equal to plus minus square root of a square m square minus b square. Okay. So, now condition of tangency, it is c is equal to plus minus a square m square minus b square. One thing, now we have to find the equations of the tangents to the slope for the given hyperbola. Now, substituting value of c in equation 1, the equations of tangents in slope form to the given hyperbola is y is equal to mx plus minus a square m square minus b square. Okay. This is the condition for the tangent.